Wipro is a global service provider in the field of IT services, in the field of outsourced infrastructure, outsourced R&D, business process services and business consulting. We have presence in 54 countries.
We actually had a legacy application, which was quite old, and we were facing some challenges on enhancing that and maintainability.
Our business was growing faster, so we started looking for a better system. At the same time, our business was also trying to implement ITIL compliance. So we were looking for a system which will align itself to ITIL criteria for selection. One is, of course, pricing. Two, we wanted a system which is robust, which is proven technology. Three, we wanted to ensure that the company is stable. And four, we wanted to ensure that the product we select, which is secured product.
So that is where we started looking at SAP and SAP Sybase Unwired platform.
So we selected SAP as our CRM product, and then we integrated Sybase with SAP ECC customer relation management system. So it was a win-win situation for us, so that we as a partner learned about how to implement mobility so that we can help our customer better. Also it helps us internally.
We were looking at a mobility solution which can work in an offline mode, where the field engineers can see that data of their calls instead of carrying the documents along with them.
When they go to the customer location, they just look at the mobile and there's an SMS coming on to them. So they click the call detail and then they can update the call real time. Once the call is closed, the service order is closed, so service confirmation is done. We ask the engineers to show the mobile device to the customer so that he can see what activity that he has filled in the information, and we also ask the customer to sign on the mobile device. The customer gets a copy of an email, what we call as field engineer service report, with his signature on it. So it is all digitized. It's a paperless office.
I feel our company has achieved more visibility because the data is getting updated real time, and if any call comes from the customer on status updates or closing of the calls, etc., the service desk team is equipped to immediately address those and answer those queries. The best thing which came out of doing SAP project was the wow factor. I still remember when we took the first signature of the customer on the mobile, the customer said, wow, this is a wonderful solution. So that is what we have achieved. SAP helps Wipro Infotech run better.